path that brought you to this spot today is winding and complicated, full of twists and turns that could have led you apart from each other, and yet it has you standing here face to face, and you are not the same. You're inspired by different things. You get mad at different things. You find joy in different things. And you know, the really smart couples take all of those differences and they let them be the ingredients that make decades together unpredictable and compelling. See, the differences are there on purpose. It's part of the good stuff. Because what's true for the two of you is the same as for the rest of us. God didn't create you to be the same. He created you to be together.
The first day I met Allison, we were dressed in our kid-friendly scrubs, wide-eyed, like brand new registered nurses. And I remember that day I looked at her work ID badge and it read Allison Fox. And my first thought then was, well, Fox is a cool last name. I guess I can be friends with her.
Ben came to me a couple months ago and said, I've started dating this girl and I'm crazy about her. I said, Ben, you've always got some project that you're on. What does this girl look like? How did you meet her?
Today she might lose that cool last name, but in return she gains an eternity of love and happiness with her soulmate, Ben.
As he starts to tell me all about Allison, his face looked completely different from anything I had seen before. It was something of just love and passion. He knew deep down at an early time in their relationship that she was it.
Growing up, Allison and I would be doing our best problem solving through our greatest inspiration, Barbie. We would discuss friendships, careers, and the most perfect Ken. And in case you're curious, Ben, it was when Allison introduced you, all excited with her drawn-out way of saying your name, that I knew she had found her lifelong Ken.
Deep breath, old man glasses, 3 pages of notes. Let's go.
Yours, here right now.
I can't begin to tell you how many road trips we made, to various cities to look at things that Ben saw on the internet. This car's great. I need to go look at this. It's going to be sweet.
It's beautiful.
We even kind of coined a term that we came up with, and it was good from afar, but far from good.
Time flies when you...
But Allison is not far from good. Allison is one of those true blessings. So that was, well worth any road trip.
Ben, you can kiss your bride.
Live like you just get one tonight. We're kings and queens. One blink and it's over. Wake up and we're older tonight. We're kings and queens.
There's one rule to learn about women. Remember what that was? All women are crazy. It's what level of crazy can you put up with? I asked Ben, I said, have you given Allison the test? He said, absolutely. She says, I'm crazy, I know it, but I'm here for you.
Love like we never grew up. Live like you just get one tonight. We're kings and queens.
Today is your wedding day, and everything is rainbows and unicorns, but it won't always be that way. So as you start your lives together, the one piece of advice I want to give you is simply to never go to sleep angry with each other. It doesn't matter the reason, whose fault it was, or what time it is. Take the time to work it out and say you're sorry when you need to. If that doesn't work, you can always try doing some karate in the garage. In the time I've known him, I've seen how compassionate, considerate, and patient a man he is, and more importantly, I've seen how much he loves my daughter. As a father, that's what's most important to me, knowing she's got someone who will look after her the way I have. Jeff and Beth, you have raised a tremendous young man, and we're thrilled to have him as part of our family.
Love like we never grew up, live like you just get one tonight. We're kings and queens.
Today is just a glimpse on the radar. The true fun starts tomorrow as you build your life together. So if anybody can join me in raising a glass to Ben and Allison, congratulations on starting your family.